We are almost done. We are almost done. That seems good enough. What am I going to do? Alright, so this recipe... How? Why is this hard? Shouldn't be this hard. What do I mix it with? Hello, welcome back to Maedae in the Kitchen. I'm Maedae, and today we are making a individual no-bake cheesecake. That just means they're put into individual jars for individual people. Instead of one big cake, we just have mini cakes. Mini cakes. Mini cakes. If you are new, I take recipes and I try them out and I review them and I taste them. And you can also catch me at restaurants. Sometimes I do foodie adventure vlogs. Yeah, so I'm glad you're here and let's get baking. If you guys like this video, please be sure to hit that like button down below and do not forget to subscribe to my channel as well as hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every other beautiful Wednesday morning when I post new videos like this one. Also be sure to check out my Instagram. Like I said, I go to restaurants and I post some sneak peeks of that as well as sneak peeks of my videos that are coming out, and I also like review the restaurants and you guys get to see some of the food that's on their menu and stuff, so go check that out. Alright, so for this recipe it normally has 6 servings, 6 individual jars, but I'm using this actually for my Mother's Day picnic with my mother, and there are 8 of us in the family, so I am actually going to be doubling the recipe to make 12. So that's what my measurements are going to be. It's going to be doubled. So if you guys are making this at home and you only need 6, then you just cut it in half. Good maths. So my first step is to take my graham crackers and put them into a bag and smash them up, and this is going to be our crust layer. It normally calls for 7.5 ounces and this is 14.4 ounces, so I am just going to use the whole box. I'm just going to try and smash it with my hands at first because they're pretty big. But now it kind of hurts. So I'm gonna get my rolling pin. Ah! There's a hole. I feel like just a little bit more because we still have some big chunks in it. It looks pretty good. I'm going to dump it into a bowl. I'm going to add my melted butter, which is 1 entire stick of melted butter. I need 6 tablespoons of light brown sugar. 1, 5, 6. What do I mix it with? I'll mix it with a spatula. Okay. I just have these big chunks of brown sugar that I need to like mash up. I have a mouthful of brown sugar. Alright, I'm going to set it aside and now we're going to work on the blueberries. Which means I need an apron because this is a brand new shirt and I am not getting blackberry or blueberry splashed up on it. Here are my blueberries and I need 1.5 cups. No, I need 3 cups because I am doubling it. 1, 2, 3. Now I need blueberries and I need 2 cups. 1 cup. That's a lot of blueberries. 2 cups. Gotta hurry. Gotta hurry. It's almost time for me to leave. So later on we're gonna need lemon zest, and before I cut this I would rather zest it and then cut it and juice it and put it into the berries. So that's what I'm going to do. I've realized that when you cut it and then try and zest it, or cut it, juice it, and then try and zest it, it's a lot harder. Ah! That was close. seems good. Yeah? And all of these little bits, I'll just take and put it back in. Boom! So now I'm going to cut it. I need one of these so that I don't get the seeds in it. Then I'm just going to juice the entire thing. And then I need a 4th cup of water. 4th cup of water. That was weird. I said it a lot. And now 1 entire cup of sugar. I'm going to put this on the stove and let it heat up gently. And while that's happening, I'm going to get my cornstarch mixture. Why? My cornstarch mixture. I need 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And I'm going to mix it with a 4th cup of cold water. So many bowls. Okay, so now I'm going to do the cream cheese part. I need 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. So it is bubbling through my mixture over here. I'm going to put this one on hold because this actually happened quite faster than I thought. I'm going to take my cornstarch mixture and I'm going to pour it in and stir it on through. Pouring in my cornstarch mixture. I feel like there's so much I'm missing. Gotta get it all. Okay. And then carefully stirring so I don't get anything on my shirt. And then it says to just kill the heat and let it cool. So I'm just going to let it cool. Alright, so I have my 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. I'm just going to whisk it until it is thick. Okay. I need 4 cream cheeses. Oh my gosh, so many. 4 8 ounces of cream cheese. Will it come out? Go! Okay, there's one. 2, 3. Now remember, I am doubling this, so normally it would be 2. And 4. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 1, 2. And 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. Alright, time to whisk again. I think I have the wrong whisk. I think I need a different one. I'm going to use these 2. And they're a lot sturdier. So hopefully it'll cut through that thick cream cheese. It's very chunky. So we're going to keep whisking. Okay, so these cut down the cream cheese, but maybe I need the other one again. Maybe I need this one to help cut down with the chunkiness, because that's chunky. This is not working as far as getting the chunk out. I am very confused. That's chunky. There's like bits of chunky cream cheese, which like it still tastes good, but like for texture wise, why? I don't know what to do. That cream cheese just it's not as smooth, which is unfortunate, but I ain't got time for this. So we're done with that. The other problem that I see is my berry compote. See this? It's very jiggly. I thought it was supposed to thicken, and it doesn't seem as though it has. So maybe I just need to put it in the fridge. Put it in the freezer. Attack it harder, quicker. Okay, I'm going to, what am I going to do? I need to scoop. Oops. I need to scoop this into this chunky mess. That is a lot. So that's that. That's there. Now it is assembly time. So I just need my jars. Here are my jars. Just bought them. Fresh from Walmart. Oh, they're beautiful. They're so cute. Look at them. Oh, I'm gonna take the lids off of them all. Here are my 12 jars, and I need to put this into the bottom. How? Does this fit? No. But this fits. This is how I could pack it. Okay, yeah. Ice cream scooper. Just gonna do this quick because it's almost time for me to go to our surprise Mother's Day thingy. Surprise Mother's Day picnic. And your jars could be different sizes, so don't like have to get the same size jars as me. Okay, so now I'm going to cut this somehow, somewhere. All right, I'm ready. Oh, that seems very sad. What? Look at that. That looks very sad. Maybe I should make the hole bigger? Let's try this one. Go down. Ah! Like toothpaste. I need it to all squeeze to the bottom. I think we're just gonna have to bang it. I don't like it. That works. They look good. All right, the final thing. We are almost done. I need to spoon this berry compote. Like so. Now, I do think that it's supposed to be thicker, but I don't know what happened. So I'm just gonna roll with it. And it is what it is, I guess. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, look at them. Oh my gosh. They are adorable. And then we're supposed to put lemon zest on tops. I am in love. These are beautiful. These are drop dead gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. They are so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm like so happy with how it turned out. Oh, I will show some clip of my mother's surprise Mother's Day picnic and my family trying it out, and you can see that right now.
Daddy, you get her a jacket from the car.
Is it good?
I just need 10 grand a month. Partner.
It's good.
Yeah.
Yay!
You want some breading or whatever?
Breading. crust.
Cracker crust. Whoa.
It's good.
Sounded like an animal.
What?
It's good.
Good?
I like it.
Is the cheesecake filling chunky?
So good.
So not chunky?
Wait. Let me do it again. It is chunky.
Like there's like bits of like cream cheese. Yeah. It wouldn't go smooth. So.
But when you mix it all together, you can't tell.
Oh, yeah.
It's good.
Yay.
And cheesecake is my favorite.
Really? I didn't even know that. Why didn't I know that? Well, happy Mother's Day! Okay. Whoa, say hi, it's a video.
Hi. Hi.
Beautiful, Lily.
Can we do mine?
Okay, get it.
Mine. Here, come on.
Hey, come on.
Here, come on, Mama.
Where are we going?
I'm going to take the camera.
Okay. Where are you going to take it?
Cheese.
Good job.
Yeah, I did it.
Eat it. Is it good? Alright, thank you so much for joining me this week on Mayday in the Kitchen as we made our individual no-bake cheesecakes. Mini. You get that? Mini individual cheesecakes. So thank you so much, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every other beautiful Wednesday morning when I post new videos like this one. I will see you guys in 2 weeks. Bye!